Thank you, Swamiji. Professor C. Balaji is a distinguished faculty of IIT Madras. He is a professor in Mechanical Engineering Department and has been a great source of encouragement to our activities. I invite him to share his thoughts on VSC.
Revered Swami Abhiramananda, Revered Swami Atmashraddhananda, Sri Rajiv Mehrotra, my distinguished faculty colleagues, VSC volunteers, students, ladies and gentlemen. It's somewhat difficult for me. I am very informal. I'm trying to be very formal now. So it gives me great pleasure to stand before you and introduce the VSC. So already there have been 2 PowerPoints. So the Vivekananda Study Circle, or VSC as it is affectionately called here, was started in the year 97, as you heard. This happens to be the 13th year. At this point, on behalf of VSC, I'd like to record a sincere appreciation of the services rendered by the monks of the Ramakrishna Order, who ever since the inception of VSC have greatly helped us. On behalf of IIT Madras, we would like to thank the Madras Mutt for their continued support and patronage to VSC. Over the years, the VSC has grown from strength to strength. Over the years, it has also continued to be run by indefatigable volunteers, and this is one of the most important reasons for its success. So I would say that the success mantra, though I'm scoring a self goal, would be its minimum interference from the faculty. Okay. As a student, many of you may be thinking, I am perfectly fine. Is VSC required for me? Is it meant only for people who are having problems? Or alternatively, is it unfashionable to be a part of VSC? Will I be branded something or someone if I take part in the activities of VSC? No problems at all. Friends, have no such worries. VSC is a great experience. Every Sunday morning, we meet in HSB, that is Humanities and Science block, for what we call the Sunday classes. We have a brilliant teacher in Swami Atmashraddhananda, who has been guiding our activities since 2004. So handling hurt, failure, and nowadays handling success also is becoming very difficult, right? Reaching a goal or goals has become almost an obsession. Oftentimes, I think we fail to recognize that the reward may be actually the journey and not the destination itself. Many times we also forget that keeping a thing is not so exciting as wanting it. Throughout our life, we seem to be inexorably and ceaselessly chasing a mirage. Some people argue with me and say that the excitement is in the mirage. Okay. So knowing fully well that even if we win the race, we still continue to be a rat. We still want to be a part of the rat race. Okay. So in the Vedantic tradition, all these issues have been explored and discussed threadbare. No stone has been left unturned to seek answers to pressing questions of mankind. We have got to be ever grateful that great spiritual masters like Sri Ramakrishna and Swami Vivekananda walked on this planet. Also very reassuring is the fact that these great masters lived not so long ago and have also set up such great institutions that have set for themselves the task of helping others ceaselessly introspect, improve, and be better human beings. So there is still hope. Goodness is still not an extinct commodity. So the Ramakrishna Vivekananda literature is a treasure trove of this Vedantic knowledge. All our Sunday classes are based on irrefutable truths from this Akshaya Patra of wisdom. Typically, we start our Sunday classes by reciting mantras, followed by a session on guided meditation. After this, a letter of Swami Vivekananda is read out and our Maharaj interprets it for us in his own style, providing us critical insights. Following this, we have a lecture by Maharaj on a topic, and the session ends with a question and answer session. The topics typically covered in the last few years include the life of Swami Vivekananda, the importance of prayer, personality development, and stress management. So we have about 10 to 12 Sunday classes every semester, each of 2 hours duration, typically making it like a 2-credit course. But the greatest relief is there are no quizzes and no exam. So it is just the right dosage. Okay, so appropriate dose. The Sunday classes have been extremely helpful to me and my family and helped me keep my otherwise seemingly ceaselessly restless mind. The VSC sessions are held in a very cordial and friendly atmosphere because I've asked a lot of irreverential questions. I should have been thrown out the first day itself, but still I continue to be actively associated thanks to Swamiji. And I'm sure that Swami Atmashraddhananda would beat all of us hands down, okay, if he chose to become a professor instead of becoming a monk. So we're all safe. Apart from Sunday classes, Students also meet on Friday evenings after dinner in Brahmaputra Hostel and engage themselves in discussions pertaining to higher goals and ideals in life. We also have the odd trip to Vivekananda Illam, close to Marina. I think if you have not visited, you must do it. So as we start a new academic year and yet another year of VSC, I am looking forward to more meaningful Sunday mornings. So my take on this would be spirituality can also be fun. So come join the VSC.